Hello students, good afternoon. You are welcome on this platform. Today once again I am here with the latest video that is about understanding the text for class 8. Here I am going to explain the understanding the text of lesson 2 for subject science. Here the objective type questions and fill in the blanks type questions, match the following type questions and true false type questions I am going to solve. So please, if you solved all these questions, then try to match with these answers. And now I am going to start the video. Let's start. So here there are 4 questions solved for only you, and at first I have solved objective type questions, multiple choice type questions, and in it mark the correct answer type questions. That is, in these questions there are 4 options given. In each questions, out of these 4 options, you have to choose only one correct options. So let us start to solve. As I have solved here the answer of first questions of question number A, the correct answer will be D. So match your answer. Is it right or wrong? If you don't solve, then try to solve and try to understand. So please be careful about it. It is very important questions for you. Understand? So the correct answer for the question number 1 in understanding type text, understanding the text type questions, the question is, cysts can withstand in unfavorable conditions. To do, they have an outer. You have to say about the answer how cysts can withstand in unfavorable conditions. So there are 4 options given here. One is plasma membrane, second is nucleus, and the third is protective cell, and fourth is cell wall. What is the correct answer? You have to take right now. So the right answer here will be option number D. Cell wall is the right answer for this question. So please take the option number D for this. Now let us move towards the second questions. So it is given here, which one of the following is not a bacterial infection? Which of the following is not a bacterial infection? You have to write your answer in your textbook, your note copy. So first option is typhoid, second is tetanus, third is whooping cough, and fourth is measles. So please try to choose the right answer. The right answer will be here, option number D also. Here the measles will be the correct answer. So please take your correct answers quickly. Don't be mistakes. And now move towards the third questions. Third question here. Which of the following can do only photosynthesis? Which of the following can do only photosynthesis? Question number first, option first, bacteria, second, algae, third, fungi, and fourth, viruses. So the right answer will be algae. Algae only makes their food by the process of photosynthesis. So right answer here will be option B. Now the fourth question in the same way. Here you have to take the option number C. For fifth question, the right answer will be C. For sixth, the right answer will be A. For seventh question, the right answer will be D. And for last question number 8, you have to take the option number B. So these are the solution of question number first in multiple choice type questions, which comes under objective type questions. Now let us move about match the following types question, match the column types questions. Match the column types question, in which you have to match the questions given in column A to the options given in column B. So be prepared for it. And here I have solved and written all these matching answer here as question number A will match the question number B of column B. Question number 1 of column A will match the question number B of column B. So as east will match east, what is fungi, just like fungi. So 1 will match with B, 2 is match with C, and 3 will match with A, 4 I, 5th D, 6th G, 7th G, F, 8th J, 9th H, and last 10th E. So these are the solution for you. Now move towards the fill in the blanks type questions. Moves towards the fill in the blanks type questions. Here I have given the very important solutions for you. First, fungi. Fungi, mushroom are a type of what? You have to fill in this blanks. So the right answer will be what types of mushroom? Mushroom is just like a fungi, is a type of fungi. So the right answer will be fungi. Second, shape. Second, shape. There is no definite dash in bacterial cell, but dash material is present. So you have to fill here the right answer. Now look at the second question here. The second question is, there is no definite shape in bacterial cell, but genetic materials present in it. Always you should remember these things. All the bacteria are not have definite shape, but all the bacteria have genetic materials. Now in third number questions, a spiral shaped bacteria are called tryponimi. A spiral shaped bacteria are called tryponimi. Now in fourth number questions, dash of algae contains chlorophyll. So the right answer here will be chloroplast. In sixth number questions, in herbivorous animals, bacteria help in digesting. So herbivorous animals, in herbivorous animals, bacteria helps in digesting what? Cellulose. And in seventh number questions, the yeast, the right answer will be yeast. In eighth number questions, herpes and measles, types of viral diseases, herpes and measles. And in eighth number questions, ninth number question, viruses are smaller than bacteria. Viruses are smaller than bacteria. And 10th number questions, malaria is caused by protozoa. Malaria is caused by protozoa. So these are the solution for fill in the blanks types questions. You should remember all these questions for getting good marks in upcoming examinations and also to make shining futures. And now move towards the fourth number questions. It is true and false type questions. True or false type questions. Here the right answer for the question number first. What will be the right answer? Sometimes bacteria cling together to form groups. This is true. So the right answer T. Here T is used for true and F is used for false. So note it please. Now in the same way, the right answer for the second number question, cocci are a spherical bacteria. Yes, it is also true. So right answer will be true. In the same way, the right answer for the question number 3 is true. Question number 4 true. Question number 5 false. Question number 6 false. And question number 7 true. Question number 8 false. Question number 9 false. And question number 10 is true. So please try to remember all these questions. Now up to here you have to solve, and in next video I will come again with very short type questions which you have to solve yourselves. And if you face difficulties, then please write your comment in the given boxes, and then I try to solve the next questions. Till that I want to say goodbye. Thank you. See you.